Good evening. As those of you who've watched my previous soap carving videos might have noticed, I've basically just been using the one knife, which is a kitchen paring vegetable knife, and that works fairly well. You know, it's got the sharp flat edge and it's got the curved smoothing edge at the back. What I did come across though, just at a local cheap hard household goods shop, was this packet of cheap files. I'm not expecting them to be, hugely great quality. But I thought these files might just give me some more shaping ability to get in at a different angle. So I thought I'd give them a go and let you watch along. So there are 6 of these altogether. The ones I'm suspecting will be most useful to me are potentially, where's it gone? There's the kind of round one, maybe, for eye shapes. This flat-ended one, I just want to file that actual end down for smooth scraping in indented spaces. Then this triangular one for, I still don't have a V chisel, which I'd like, but this might give me something along the way to that. So let's try it out. Now, I suspect I would generally continue to use my knife for things like this, but let's just see what the actual filing of the soap is like. See if it's any good for general smoothing. This is just trying to get the name off. Well, it's gradually coming. I don't know if you can see this. It's gradually working away. Basically what it's doing is it's pushing the chips into the name, so it's probably losing less volume but not necessarily getting as nice a surface as we would from the knife. We could always smooth that out again, so particularly in places where we didn't have much spare soap to lose, this might be effective. Okay, what I'm going to do is just, let's try these small pointed ones. Let's shape out roughly, say, a rough letter R shape. Okay, so I have my rough R shape with the kind of triangular one. I'm going to use this round pointed one to try and deepen that a bit. It's definitely easier to get rounded or undulating shapes with the point of the file than with the end of the knife, just because it has more orientation issues. So that's that. I think, at this point, generally, I would want to get my knife in to start cutting away at that. Probably curve off that end a bit as well. And really just flatten out these bits. But let's just see how the end of this does for that. It's not really sharp enough to use as a flat chisel. But for shaping, for scraping, yeah, it'll probably work. Nice to be able to do straight up and down, so we don't have the issue that we always have with the rounded tip of the knife of affecting other parts of the carving, flat carving. So yeah, this could be useful. Isn't the best. So yeah, as a first attempt, I would say these certainly will have their place in my carving, but they will not replace my knife. They'll just be another tool to use along with it.